Plus 7.
ஓகேவா?
இப்போ தான் 1.1.
Good morning student. In yesterday class we have taken the chapter integer and in that 1.1 exercise we have completed up to question number 6. Today we will start with the question number 7. Question number 7 is very easy that you can do it by yourself. What is that? A magic box is there. Three box. The 3, this side is 3, this side is 3. You have to enter number so that from top to bottom if you are adding, when horizontal if you are adding, when corner to diagonal you are adding, all the answers should be in the same. You take it as a homework and try by different number. Okay? 7th problem. 8th problem. What is given 8th question? Verify that one condition they are given in terms of A and B. A minus of bracket minus B equal to A plus B. They are asking to verify this left hand side when you given number it will be equal to the right hand side when you substitute the number. Both sides should be equal when this condition is given. So they are given in the first problem. You see A equal to 21, B equal to 18 they are given. Two values for this formula they are given. So I am substituting in the formula. A equal to 21 minus bracket B equal to minus B they are given. Here 18 is B. So I have converted into minus B equal to 21 other side A plus B. A is 21 plus of B is 18. Now I am simplifying 21 as it is minus into minus bracket. That day I told you in the first class when minus multiplication of minus it will become positive. So positive 18 should be equal to already here 21 plus of 18. Separately left hand side you add it, right hand side you add it. Left hand side 39, right hand side 39. Both the sides are equal. So the formula is verified correct. Okay. Same thing for the second problem. A equal to 118, B equal to 125. Once again substitute in the same formula. 118 minus bracket of minus 125 is equal to 118 plus of 125. Same thing I am doing the bracket minus into minus it will become positive. So 118 plus of 125 should be equal to 118 of 125. Both are same only it will be equal. So automatically both the sides you are getting 234 should be equal to 234. That means left hand side and right hand side are equal. Verified. The formula is correct. So third problem and fourth problem you take it as a homework. It is very simple problem only. Substitute, see left hand side and right hand side are equal or not. Okay? Then next question number 9. You have to say two set of numbers they are given on both sides. In between box is given. You have to compare left hand side is greater than right hand side or left hand side is smaller than right hand side or left hand side is equal to right hand side. By symbol, if it is indicating right side that arrow it is greater than. If it is indicating left side it is lesser than, and it is equal to means both sides will be equal. Remember this V shape should be indicating right side means greater than. You have to always say the number from left to right. Don't say right to left. When a problem is given, you have to tell this number from left hand side to right hand side. Left hand side number is greater than right hand side number. Like that you have to compare. Let us take first problem. Minus 8 bracket plus of minus 4 box is given. Minus 8 minus of minus 4 is given. First step I am simplifying. We know minus number plus of minus number what you have to do? You have to add the number, same minus sign will come. So 8 plus 4 12 minus is there, minus I have written. Then that side minus 8 minus of minus it is bracket, so you have to multiply. Minus of minus is plus. Minus 8 plus 4 difference you have to find. 8 minus 4 4. 8 is having minus sign, so greater number sign we have to write it. Now you compare it. Minus 12 box minus 4, which is now from the first number to the second number you have to compare. What you have to say? Minus 12 is less than minus 4. In your number line you remember minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. It will be number will be increasing with minus sign. But when you are increasing number with minus sign means the value is decreased small. So what is that? Minus 12 is less than minus 4. 1 is over. Second, three numbers they are given. Minus 3 plus of 7 minus bracket 19. What is that in the box? 15 minus of 8 plus of minus 9. Now I am simplifying first two terms. What is that? Minus 3 plus 7. Plus minus is there, you have to minus. So 7 is greater. 7 minus 3, 4. Then write minus is there. Take it inside. So it will become minus 19. Then once again I am simplifying. Minus 19 is greater here. Plus 4 is smaller here. 19 is greater number. 19 minus of 4, 15. Minus having greater number having minus sign. So I am putting minus here. Other side. 15 minus of 8. And first step I am doing. 15 minus 8 got 7. And plus of minus is minus 9. Minus 9. So 7 minus 9. Here also plus minus is there. Then you have to subtract. And here 9 is greater number. It is having minus sign. So 9 minus 7 equal to 2. Greater sign number is minus. So minus 2. Now you see which is greater or smaller. Minus 15 box of minus 2. What is that? Minus 15 is lesser than minus 2 because it is away from the 0 in minus direction, minus 15. So minus 15 is less than minus 2. That is your answer. Then E problem I have taken. C and D you have to do it as a homework. E problem 1 is given, here also 3 number is given. Minus 231 plus of 79 plus of 51. Box minus 399 plus of 159 plus of 81. It is given. So first side, left hand side angle. First I am adding positive number. 79 plus of 51. 9 plus 1 10. 1 remainder 12. 12 plus 1 13. So 130. Here as it is I am writing. Here you see 130 is positive. 231 is negative. But 231 number is greater. Difference you find it. Difference is 101. Since greater number is minus, we are putting minus. One side over. Other side. Here also I am adding the positive number 159, 81. I am getting 240. Another number is there 399. It is in minus. So difference you have to find. Subtraction. Subtract it. You will be getting 159. 159. What is the sign? Because 399 is greater number having minus. We are putting minus. Now you compare 1 minus 101. Box minus 159. Which is greater? Which is smaller? This is greater because in the scale 100 will come first and 159 will come later in the minus. So this number is greater than minus 159. Okay? This is very simple exercise. Last only one problem is there.